What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another great day with Everything Avon. We got an exciting video planned for today. Well, some good and some bad. We're actually going to be taking the wife's Jaguar over to Jaguar in town. It's screwing up, not too sure why. It doesn't want to start. I managed to get it to jump start just now, so I think it'll start up hopefully. My brother over there, he's going to be taking the truck and we're going to be dropping this vehicle off, and we got some exciting news planned for that guy. Oh yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, this Jaguar doesn't want to start, or hasn't been wanting to start for some reason. As you can see, I just got in it and it already says low battery, please start engine. Ooh, okay, started. Earlier, it didn't want to start, and we took the battery to AutoZone to get it checked out. The battery checked out fine, which is totally weird. Don't know what's going wrong with this guy. Turn that down, but we'll go hopefully find this out. So let's get going. So like I said guys earlier, this video is not going to be all negatives. It's not going to be all about the Jaguar, but we're just going to be killing two birds with one stone while I have my brother's help. Today's video is going to be mainly about the F150. We got a new mod coming in. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail, you kind of already know what the mod is. Nonetheless, I'm excited. I can't wait to see what they look like. We're going to take it over to Discount Tire. They're going to be doing the swap. It's going to be a different style look. As you know, I've had on the truck the 20-inch wheels with the 33-inch tires. Well, we're actually changing that up a bit. Man, I just love how my truck looks. I don't get to really see it from the outside, so seeing it, it's just freaking amazing. I can't wait to put those wheels on it because you'll see what they look like, but oh, look at it. Oh wow. Yeah, we're going 80 right now, so he passed me pretty quick. And we're here at Royal Jaguar of Tucson. Dropped my wife's vehicle off. Ooh, that's a beautiful F-Type. I'm gonna park next to it because I can. All right, we're all squared away. Hopefully they figure out what's wrong with you. We're gonna leave you here. You better behave. Time to find my truck. Don't know where he parked. He would park way over there. Way over there. You see him? He would park in the boonies, make me walk. My legs hurt.
I didn't want to park in the nice spot.
What, the truck's not nice? We can't park in the nice spots? Oh, you said it. You spoke the truth. All right, I see how it is.
You know what I mean? There's an extra.
So we made it. We're at Discount Tire. Trying to get rid of these guys. So let's go and get inside and check in. So guys, get a good look at it. This is what it looks like right now with the stock FX4 20-inch wrapped in some BFGs. But you'll see what they look like pretty soon. Alright guys, so we're actually no longer at Discount Tire. We had to leave because they were real busy and real packed, but we got them on there. The truck looks amazing guys. So without further ado, check it out. Boom! Venom Rex 602 17-inch. I believe they were called the tungsten carbide, but they match the sterling metallic gray with the truck. Almost identical. You can't really tell whatsoever, especially when you back up. Wrapped them with, of course, the BF Goodrich 285 70R17s. They're about 33-inch. So excited. I'm so stoked. It turned out even better than what I expected. And don't worry about these lug nuts. As you can see, these are open lug nuts for the moment. I actually ordered a set of black lug nuts, but they didn't come in quite yet. They'll be here next week. So I'll take it back and have them switch those out. Other than that, it just looks beautiful guys. I'm gonna take some pictures, take some videos, and really just admire just how beautiful this guy looks. And it's not even clean, it's dirty. So that makes it even much better. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home with the EcoBeast And just like I said earlier, these wheels turned out so beautiful. They look so amazing. It matched just perfect. And I just love the larger sidewall with these 17s and the 33s on it. Not too big, just enough to get that nice aggressive stance that I wanted, and lighten it up extremely well. One main factor of why I went with this combo with the Venom Rex 602s is because of weight. I call this guy the EcoBeast, and one way to really open up the beast is to reduce weight as much as possible. So I actually have the spare tire off. That's got rid of about 85-90 pounds, and with this combination I'm saving so much weight. But the exciting part is we're actually going to make it even better than just these, even lighter per se. So without further ado, let's go in the garage. So guys, being that these Venom Rex 602s are extremely light, the 17-inch wheels are only about 24 pounds, and there's actually not much room to improve as far as the lightweight wheels. So what I went ahead and did to make it even lighter, or to give this truck an even better chance of being that true EcoBeast that I want it to be, is I actually picked up a second set. What? Yeah, picked up a second set. As you see here, we have a second set of Venom Rex 602s. These guys are actually gloss black rather than that tungsten color that I have over there. And I went ahead and wrapped them in some Toyo Proxies ST3s. These guys are 275 by 60 by 17s. And yeah, these are here what's truly gonna make this EcoBeast an EcoBeast. So yes, I know guys, I'm crazy. You're thinking I'm spending a lot of money, but well, for me, I think it was a worthy investment. Like I said, I get the best of both worlds, which means we can have even more content. We can dominate off-road with the ones I have on now, and we can dominate on-road with those over there that are wrapped with the Toyo Proxies. I was actually gonna keep the 20-inch wheels on this guy and go ahead and get the Venom Rex 20-inch versions of these, but those were pretty much double the price, actually more than double the price of the 17-inch size. So I was like, yeah, might as well go ahead and get two sets if I was already going ahead and pay that much for the 20-inch wheels. Now I have two sets of 17s, and quite honestly, I can do pretty much anything I want with this now. And we can actually recoup some of the cost by selling these bad boys. These are the stock ones that you saw earlier in the video, and yeah, I think I can get a pretty penny for them. The two back ones, which are over there, are pretty much new, so those tires can actually fetch a good premium, including the rims. Yeah, I think we'll make most of our money back, or at least half of it, which once again, like I said, makes this a worthy investment to not only have one, but have two. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and call this video quits. The sun is now about to set over this beautiful Arizona afternoon, and I want to actually try to get the truck cleaned up. But thank you guys once again for watching. We have plenty more videos to come, especially now that we got those on-road tires. I can't wait to swap them out and truly get to see just how quick this EcoBeast will actually be. But as always, if it's your first time at the channel, hit that subscribe button below, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. But thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one.